Hey everybody, I went to the antique mall and these are my hauls. I managed to find Perry Mason, The Case of the Missing Suspect game, which I couldn't pass up. It was $15, but like I said, I've told y'all, I got a week's severance pay at the company I worked for before they fired me, so I had extra money. And I don't have that many bills, so and this total was like $40, so I didn't really spend a whole lot. Managed to get this DC Primal Age Scarecrow for $10. And like I said, I'm gonna basically resell probably this guy after unboxing him. Plus the YouTuber thing. I didn't have this guy. He goes with my military turtles. Did not have this particular guy. There's a whole bunch of turtles that are dressed up in military uniforms. And then you have Rocksteady for the foot soldiers. And there's Bebop. I don't have Bebop either, but I haven't found him. So I wanted this guy. And then I do not have a Venus de Milo figure. So, of course, Venus de Milo from Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles, The Next Mutation. Actually, don't have any turtle figures, I don't think, from the TV show Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles, The Next Mutation. And definitely do not have a Venus de Milo figure. So, now I have a Venus de Milo figure. It's kind of a shame that her shell is what's covering her boobs, because the shell is actually part of a turtle's body. So, but then she's wearing pants. Weird thing is none of the other turtles wore pants, so that's kind of weird. So, it's pretty cool. Anyway, I only paid $5 for it, so something I didn't have, so picked it up to go with my Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle collection. Anyway, hope y'all had a great, wonderful day. And comment down below, do you like the Turtles better, Scarecrow better, or the Perry Mason vintage game? Only $15 too, by the way. So remember, God is good all the time. All the time, God is good. Keep on gaming. Like, comment, subscribe, share. Jesus loves you, Jesus is God, Jesus is Lord, Jesus is King. Jesus is Lord, Jesus is Lord, everything. And I actually saved some money up to go to Millington. And I've been wanting to go to Millington, and every time I go to Millington, I usually save up about $100 to go, and we haven't gone in about a year, so I took my time. So I had the money. It was extra money that I had saved up, and I spent less than $100 from going. So I spent less than $50 the whole time everywhere we went, because I couldn't find anything that I really wanted that bad. So all you people who think that I spend my money too much don't know that I actually save before spending. And most of my money I actually put up in savings. So I do what you're supposed to do. Save most of my money, pay my bills, and if I make $500 a week, I'll spend less than 100 of it a week. I make $500 last a month. Later.